How to cancel CapCut Pro subscription. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to cancel CapCut Pro subscription. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the CapCut app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the profile section, then here what you can do is just tap on your username, which can be seen at the top. And now here, once you are inside your username, you can just tap on your username again, and here you'll see the pro subscription icon right at the top. So here you can just tap on manage button. And now here, once you are inside this section, just under the plans, you'll see the pro billing data or the subscription that you have purchased. So here, in case if you want to cancel CapCut Pro subscription, what you have to do is just tap on cancel subscription button, which can be seen right below your billing section. And with that, once you tap on it, you simply have to confirm your choice when the pop-up appears by tapping on cancel auto renewal as well. And once you do that, you'll see a confirmation message showing that your CapCut subscription has been cancelled. And with that, now you won't be charged again at the next billing date. And with that, also an important note. So here, if you subscribed through the Apple App Store or a Google Play Store, then you must cancel it through your App Store subscription settings instead. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.